Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up recently saved or viewed slideshows or PowerPoints in the Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then any recently opened or viewed presentation should appear down here right underneath the Recent tab. And that's all you have to do. And then just would select it, open it up, and that's it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.